I'm in a 2006 Nissan Murano, and today I'm going to show you how to add gas. So from the driver's side, we'll walk back, and you should see your cover here. And it's just a push to release, so we'll just push, and it should pop open. It's got like a spring loaded in there. So double check nothing's bent or broken. This is that little spring I was talking about. But from here, double check you're using the proper type of gas. But you just unscrew this. So this pops out, and then if you're at a gas pump, you can stick your nozzle straight in here, or with your gas can, you should be able to stick right in there. Fill as needed. Most gas stations here in the US, I'd use like an 87 grade. Might be different where you're at, but like an 87 unleaded should be fine. And then when you're done, screw this back in. Hear a little click when it's all the way tight. And when you're done, just close this all the way. And that's it. I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.